Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Tuesday, March 30th. The time is around 12 a.m. GMT. And here today we're going to be looking at the chart of the Dow Futures, 60-minute charts YMF. Now this one has a very similar structure to SPX. SPX, as you recall, is the chart of the day from yesterday, right? It also ended with 4, as you can see if you compare this with SPX. And the difference between SPX is this one and this one is that Dow already broke to new high, right? We broke to new high already here in the Dow, whereas SPX still is below this previous peak, but then they are kind of correlated anyway. So since we have already broken above this previous peak, that should rule out a double correction. A double correction means something like this, a WXY like this. That is ruled out because of the break. So now we should be looking for more upside against this last week's low in the first degree. Any pullback should continue to find support against 31,952 in the first degree. This is the next EBC support area, 100% extension between 32,758, 32,584. We should be able to get support from here for the next leg higher. Okay, but this one again, last week's low is the key level. As long as we stay above here, we should be still favoring the upside. Looking at the daily chart, the same as SPX, we got 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. So we are talking about a 5-wave diagonal that started from February in the 1st. This is the starting point here, right? And as an alternate, this one, instead of ending with 105, this could be ending the entire with 5 here. Alright, if it is ending the entire with 5, take a look at the daily chart. If this is ending the entire with 5, then we can get a pullback to correct at least this cycle, if not a bigger degree cycle. I mean, depending on what the count is from this March low, it could be at least, if this cycle is finished, at least it's going to be correcting this entire rally, if not a bigger degree rally. Okay, so that is the idea. So far we continue to stay above this trend line, so overall nothing to worry about, nothing to suggest we are forming a significant top or anything like that. And yes, so this one is going to be in the next support area, the more aggressive view against last week's low. Now of course in the shorter cycle we might, for example, get a little bit of change. Like for example, we could be doing this one like this before turning lower and so on. So that could happen in the shorter cycle, of course, but the idea is cannot rule out more downside to correct this rally before the rally resumes again. Alright, so that's the update for today, and as always, if you do want to get regular updates on indices, stocks, Forex, commodities, feel free to try our service. We have 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video below. I'll see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day everyone.